As Hurricane Milton traveled towards Florida, the forecast predicted catastrophic impacts. Initially classified to hit the West Coast at a Category 4 and Central Florida as a Category 2, OUC immediately began to prepare for Milton's impact. However, as the storm approached, intensity diminished, and the storm tracked just south of Orlando as a Category 1 hurricane. And while Central Florida was spared from the worst of the storm, there was still significant damage in our service territory. With more than 89,000 customers affected by outages, our team knew we had a monumental task ahead. The preparation we've done all year allowed us to respond quickly and effectively. We proactively increased our resources, prepared support staff, and reached out for mutual aid assistance. In addition to OUC's own line technicians and vegetation management crews, a total of 387 line techs, 129 tree trimmers, and 72 safety assessors answered our call for assistance. Working side by side with OUC employees, crews joined us from nearly 18 states, such as California, Indiana, Massachusetts, and more. These crews worked diligently assessing damage, repairing downed lines, climbing poles, and restoring water main breaks. In less than 3 days, our combined efforts restored power to more than 89,000 customers. With every connection made, we brought back electricity and water and reinforced the power of community and the resilience that defines us. Behind frontline workers are hundreds of dedicated employees who work in the background, including safety and security, to planning, to electric and water operations, to public information, including customer service, to logistics and mutual aid, to mass care, facilities, and more. Through long hours and challenging conditions, OUC employees and our out-of-state crews have demonstrated their commitment to restoring essential services to our community.
New best friend, making people happy one switch at a time.
Thank you to all who played a part in restoration efforts. We couldn't have done it without you. And to our customers, thank you for standing with us during this challenging time. We're proud to serve Central Florida.